Hi, excuse me. I'm so sorry to bother you, but I'm a bit lost in this city. My name is Emily, by the way. I'm visiting from the United States.
Not at all, Emily. I'm Raj, a local here. Don't worry, I'd be happy to help you find your way. What are you looking for? A specific landmark, a restaurant, or perhaps your hotel?
Actually, I'm trying to get to the City Museum. I've heard it's one of the best places to visit in this city, but my map isn't very clear. Can you tell me how to get there from here? Should I take a taxi, bus, or is it within walking distance?
The City Museum is definitely a must-visit, and it's not too far from here. If you're up for a walk, I'd recommend that. It's about a 20-minute walk, and you'll get to see some of the city's other attractions along the way. Just head down this street, take a left at the traffic lights, and then a right at the big fountain. You can't miss it. Alternatively, you could take the number 10 bus from the stop just around the corner, which will take you straight there.
That sounds great. Thank you so much for the directions, Raj. I think I'll walk as the weather is so nice today. But just to make sure, can you tell me what I should look out for when I turn left at the traffic lights? Are there any specific shops or signs that will help me know I'm on the right track? And what's the fountain like, so I know when to turn right?
When you turn left at the traffic lights, you'll see a big coffee shop on your right-hand side, and just past that, there's a small park. Keep walking until you see the fountain, which is quite large and has a statue of a famous historical figure in the middle. You'll also see a street performer or two around there, so it's hard to miss. Once you've passed the fountain, take the next right, and the museum will be on your left after about 5 minutes of walking. You'll see a big sign that says City Museum in several languages, so you can't go wrong.
Thank you so much, Raj, for all your help. I really appreciate it. I'm sure I'll find it now. Is there anything else you'd recommend seeing or doing in this city while I'm here? Any hidden gems that aren't in the tourist guides?
Well, Emily, there are plenty of things to see and do here. One of my personal favorites is the street food market that sets up near the river every evening. It's a great place to try some local cuisine and mingle with the locals. Also, if you have time, take a walk along the riverfront, which offers beautiful views of the city. And if you're interested in history, the old town is filled with historic buildings and quaint shops. Just be sure to try some of our local specialties, like the traditional tea and pastries.
That all sounds amazing, Raj. I'll definitely have to check out the street food market and take a walk along the riverfront. Thank you again for all your help and recommendations. It's been really great talking to you, and I feel much more confident about navigating this city now.
You're welcome, Emily. It was my pleasure to assist you. If you have any more questions or need further directions, don't hesitate to ask. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic time exploring our city, and I wish you a great rest of your trip. Safe travels.